Three daughters, three sisters or something.
Yeah, Raghunath. What?
ग्रुप नंबर है ओके निताय गो नमो 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 सखी कोलयो गुरमुदारम सखी कोलयो गुरमुदारम सखी कोलयो गुरमुदारम सखी कोलयो गुरमुदारम मधुकर रंजित मालती मंडित जित घन पुंजित केशम तिलक बिन ओ सौरभ संकट वृंदावन तट
सौरभ संकट वृंदावन तट
गीत बसंत विहार
गीत वसंत विहार अभिनव कोमल गोच समुद्र
कुंचित कुंतल भार
कुंचित कुंतल भार
ओ प्रणयी जनेरित चंदन सहकृत
प्रणय जनेरित चंदन समकृत
चोरित वर घन सार
चोटित वरघन सार
जय जय सुंदर नंद कुमार
जय जय सुंदर नंद
चटुल दिगंचल रचित रसोज्जल
चतुल मृगंचल रसिक रसोज्जल
ओ चटुल दिगंचल रचित रसोज्जल चटुल दिगंचल राधा मदन विकार
राधा मदन विकार
ओ भुवन विमोहन मंजुल नर्तन
भुवन विमोहन मंजुल नर्तन
दिवल गीत मणिहार दिवल गीत
मणिहार
ओ जय जय सुंदर नंद कुमार
जय जय सुंदर नंद
ओ अधर विराजित मंदतर स्मित
अधर विराजित मंदकर स्मित
रोचित निज परिवार
लोचित निज परिवार
ओ जय जय सुंदर नंद कुमार
जय जय सुंदर नंद कुमार
निज पल्लव जन सुहित सनातन
निज भजन सोई सनातन
विरोध अवतार
सीत विरल अवतार
ओ जय जय सुंदर नंद कुमार
जय जय सुंदर नंद कुमार
जय नंद कुमार नंद कुमार जय नंद कुमार
जय नंद कुमार जय नंद कुमार जय नंद कुमार
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
हरि
Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
What is the parallel? Did you see or not?
7 until 10.
Pardon?
7 or 7 until 10. Yeah.
चक्षुर्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Have you bhajan rasa?
Yeah.
Bhajan rasa. First of all, I offer my सामने आ जाओ राधा रानी की बुलाओ जैसे हरी कथा श्री भजन रहस्य एट्थ जाम साधन रात्रि लीला प्रेम भजन संभोग में सिद्धि की निष्ठा ये अपने देखो प्रेम भजन संभोग from the midnight to 3.5 prohar of the night. Okay. Approximately up midnight. Okay. That means after midnight to 3:30 a.m. In this Jvam, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur discussed Siddhi ki Nishtha and the perfection, how would be one-pointed and dependence on Krishna. It is described in Shikshastak. That is called Vaikantik Nishtha. Understand? Vaikantik Nishtha. That's called unflinching faith and one-pointed with Ishtadev. Understand? This is called Vaikantiki Nishtha. These things also described in Shikshastak, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Last verse of Shikshastak, that means Shikshastak, slok number 8. Asli sava padratang pinashtum mat adarhanat marmotang karotuba yatha tathava vidhatu lampato mat prano natastu sa eva na paro aslisya padaratang pinashtum mat adarsanat marmahatang karotuba yatha tathava vidhatu lampato mat prano natastu sa eva na paro. Let that Dabuchi, Krishna, and tightly embrace this maidservant, and who is devoted to servicing him, and thus delight me, or let him trample me under his feet, or break my heart by not giving me his darshan. He may do whatever he desires, even if he sports with his other beloved and directly in front of me. Even he sports, play with his other beloveds directly in front of me. He is still my Prananath. In my heart there is none other than him. That's Srimati Radhika. How she has love and affection with Krishna. Ami Krishna padadasi tiho rasa sukharasi alingiya kari atmasat kiba na day darasan na jane mor tanuman tabu tiho mor prano nath. This is also explained in Chaitanya Charitamritam. Ami Krishna Padadasi, Srimati Radhika in her Viraha stage, separation mode. She is saying, I am her maid servant. And Krishna is the embodiment of Melu's Rasa. So Alingya Kare Atmasat, and he embraced me and completely to accept in her heart. Kiva Nadaya Darshan. In this way, maybe he would give me darshan or put me in the ocean of separation, Viraha Samudra. But still he is my Prananath, heart and soul. In Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained. Sokhi sunamor manera nishchoy, kiva anurag kari, kiva dukkha diya mare, mor praneshwar Krishna anna noy, chhari anna narigon, mor bas tanuman, mor subhagya prakat koriya. তা সবারই দেন পীড়া আমাসনে রহে করে ক্রীড়া সেই নারীগণে দেখাইয়া কিবা তেহ লম্পট শঠ ধৃষ্ট সকপট অন্য নারীগণে করে সাত মোরে দিয়া মন পীড়া মোর আগে করে ক্রীড়া তবু তেহ মন প্রাণনাথ না গণে আপন দুঃখ সবে বাঞ্ছি তার সুখ তার মোর আপন তার সুখ আমার তাৎপর্য মোরে যদি দিয়ে দুঃখ তার হইল মহাসুখ সেই দুঃখ মোর সুখ বর্জ্য. Srimati Radhika said, Hey Sakhi, I am maid servant with the lotus feet of Srimati Rasik Shekhar Sri Krishna, who is an ocean of happiness. He may make me joyful by tightly embracing me, or he may trample me breathe in his feet, or maybe make me happy by mercifully giving me his darshan, or he may break my heart by not appearing before me. He may not understand my inner desire, nonetheless, he is my Prananath, the Lord of my life. Sakhi, I have decided that he may love me or display my fortune by abandoning other beautiful ladies in order that he may control by me. He may make them unhappy by sporting with me in front of them, or he may deceitful, arrogant, and duplicitous or jabuji, and just to provoke me. He may torment me by the he may torment me by sporting before me with other ladies. Still, he and only he is my Prananath. I am not slightly concerned for my own suffering. I only desire his happiness, and always the goal of my life is make make him happy in every way. If he feel happiness by giving me distress, that distress is my greatest happiness. And how Srimati Radhika see one pointed with Krishna. And that means Srimati Radhika, she completely surrendered to Krishna. Krishna bhajan, first that is called surrender. Saranagati. There are 6 limbs of Saranagati. Anukulasya sankalpa, pratikulasya vivarjanam, rakhisati visasu gopiti varnam tatha. Atma nikhyapa karpanye Saravidha Saranagati. There are the 6 limbs of Saranagati. You have to accept those who are favorable for Krishna Bhakti. You have to reject those who are unfavorable for Bhakti. And only think Krishna is my maintainer and Krishna is my protector. Or Atma Nikhyapa Karpanya. Atma Nikhip means you have to offer your heart and soul to the feet of Krishna. Or Karpanya means, you understand Karpanya? Humility, then very humble always. Tinadapi sunichena, tarirva shrishna, omanina manadena, kirtaniya, sadahari. Because bhaktis, all angas, anga means limbs, eternal and transcendental. And all these things also simultaneously increasing in the heart of the devotee when he completely surrendered to the feet of Guru and Krishna. But Anukulasya Sankalpa Praktikulasya Vivarjanam, this is called Saranagati. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jivadharma explained, Saranagati is not the limbs of bhakti. But without Saranagati, surrender, you cannot develop your bhajan and sadhana. But this Anukulasya Sankalpa Pratikulasya Vivarjanam, actually this is the symptoms of Suddha Bhaktis. Because one who serves to Krishna, all his endeavors is the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. That is called Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta Paraya. Or second, what is the second? Krishnarthe Akhil Bhogatyak. You understand? Krishnarthe Akhil Bhogatyak. You have to give up everything. Those who are the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. Krishnarthe Akhil Bhogatyak. If you something give up for Krishna pleasure, then Krishna will be happy. What things will you give up the pleasure, exclusive pleasure for Krishna? कृष्ण के लिए कौन सा वस्तु आप त्याग दे दोगे जो कृष्ण प्रसन्न होंगे? That is called asat sanga and bad association. Yeah, you understand? Or what things you will be give up small pleasure for Srimati Radhika. राधा जी के लिए कौन सा वस्तु आप त्याग दोगे राधा जी प्रसन्न होंगे? Which things will you give up? Then Srimati Radhika, she will be exclusive pleasure for you, happy with you. Those who are against the mood of Srimati Radhika, श्रीमती राधा के भाव के विरोध जो है उससे त्याग देना चाहिए। Then we coming in the Raganuga Bhaktis, the limbs of Raganuga Bhakti, the 5 limbs of Raganuga Bhakti. What are the 5 limbs of Raganuga Bhakti? You learn or not? What you learning? Learn. Bhav, first that is called Bhavamaya, which are favorable for our Bhav means mood. Santa Dasa Sakka Vatsalya Madhurya. Any Bhav mood you have to accept. That is called Bhavamaya. Bhav Samandhi, those who are related with your mood, Bhav Samandhi, that is called mantra jap. That kinds of mantra you have to chant. Gopal mantra, Kam Gayatri, Radha mantra. This mantra is called Bhav Samandhi. If you are Madhurya Ras, you have to chant Kam Gayatri mantra. Understand this thing? That is called Bhav Samandhi. Then meditation. Meditation with which meditation? Krishna Dhyan, Radha Dhyan, the meditation of Srimati Radhika, the meditation of Krishna. First need is what? Atma Dhyan. Meditation of your own form, consider that is called Atma Dhyan. When you wake up early in the morning, you have to meditate about your soul. That is called Atma Dhyan. Nahang vipurna charana padena vaisana sudro nagresta bani jatirva kintu paddot purnam tabdi gopi bhartur pada kamalor dasana dasa. First this have to meditation. That means I am not Brahman, I am not Kshatriya, Brahmachari, Brahmapasti, Sannyasi. I am the servant of Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. Simple way. You can meditate yourself. Then you more advance. Then you meditate yourself. Pasang madhya manorama nana alankaro vibhusita. This very high level. You think, I am that gopi and surrounded with others gopis. And very nicely served Srimati Radhika under guidance of Guru Rupa Sakhi. This and very nice, beautiful form, Pasamadhya Manovar Nana Alankara Vibhusita. And you should decorate with many kinds of ornaments, 2 kinds of ornaments. One is called Bhav Alankar, or another is called Bhav Alankar. Then you have to decorate yourself with different kinds of mood. Nana Vidha Alankar, Kari Jalaman, Harimano Bimohano, Bodhana Ujjal, Visakhati Sakhigan, Nana Ragigai, Priyanama Sakhijata, Chamara. Nana Vidha Alankar, Kari Jalaman. Here Alankar means bodily ornaments. How Srimati Radhika, she also decorated with a different kinds of bodily ornaments. Very nice, beautiful earrings, nose rings, necklace, and what is called? Different kinds. Bajubandha. Bajubandha means 1 kinds of ornaments, and that's arms, armlet. Bajubandha, armlet. This is very nice. And putting the kajal in the eyes, what is called? And in this way, that is called alankar, ornaments. That bodily ornaments is Bhav Alankar. Then Bhav Alankar, different kinds of moods, Ha, Bhav, Hela, Bhikkhu, these types of stasic symptoms. Some internal, some external also. So that is called Bhav Alankar. So then, that means meditation. Two kinds of meditation. One is called, first word is Sadharan, that is called general meditation. That everybody should meditate himself. He should meditate. Nahang Vipro, Nacha Narupati, Navasana Sudra, Nagrastubani Jatirba, Kintu Pradu Nikram Paramanandi, Purnam Tabde, Gopi Bhattur, Padakamulur Dasanudasa. This meditation, these types of meditation everywhere to perform. Then you advance, then Vitasa Mudhi, Manoramana, Alankara, Vibhusita. This is another. So now coming in this way. So Saranagati, first Saranagati, though this Saranagati is not, belongs to Bhakti. Saranagati Kabhu nahe Bhakti Ram. But when sadhu come in the high stages, then for this Saranagati, the Srimati Radhika completely surrender to the lotus feet of Krishna. So for this regard, in this verse, Srimati Radhika, she says, Aslisya padaratang pinashtu mat adarsanat marmahatam karutu va jatha tatha va vidudhatu lampato mat prananathastu so eva napra. Krishna embraced me or wrapped me with his feet. Padaratan pinastuma. Mot adarsanat karatuba. Marmahatan karatuba. Maybe I will feel so much pang of separation from Krishna without taking his darshan. Krishna adarsan janit. Hidaya में जो पीड़ा होती है उसकी कहते हैं मर्माहतम मत और दर्शनात् मर्माहतम कृतुवा. Because gopis, they cannot, especially Srimati Radhika, she cannot tolerate 1 second separation from Krishna. Because this is her highest Mahabhav stage. When Mahabhav symptom is there, Khanardhe kalpatta kalpatte khanardha. That means many days of Brahma, they are performing Ras dance. But they are thinking that time is very short. Or 1 second separation from Krishna, they are thinking thousand, millions days of Brahma. Completely opposite. We cannot imagine what kinds of their love and affection with Krishna. So for this regard here, the mat or darshanat marmohatan kartuva jatha tatava vidadhatu lampato. Maybe he plays, he can play with others gopis in front of me. This is giving so much pain. But still I can tolerate. So saying, Jatha tathava vidadhatu lampato mat prananathasya eva na paro. He is my prananath, he is my heart and soul. So remember, Krishna Bhakti is two things here. One is called Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta Parayana. Or Krishnarthe Akhil Bhogat Tag. समझ में आया? You have to accept those who are special pleasure for Krishna, or you have to reject those who are and unfavorable for Krishna. मर्तो जदा तप्त समस्त कर्म निवेदित आत्मा विचिकीर्षितो में तदामृतत्व प्रतिपाद्यमान मया आत्मभूताय च कल्पते मर्तो जदा तप्त समस्त कर्म निवेदित आत्मा. How to develop our Saranagati. Marto jada takta. They are explained very nice. The devotee who remembers these pastimes is transcendental, being filled with the eternity, knowledge and bliss, Sachidananda. Like that Srimad Bhagavan in a Vaishnava's body is non-different from Krishna's body. In this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam describes, Krishna says to Uddhava, the bodies of Krishna, that is called Sachidananda. Because Krishna's body is Sachidananda. In the same way, those who are pure devotee of Krishna, their body also Sachidananda. So, in this verse proved, Marto jada tapta samasta karma nivedito atma tadamrita pratipaddamano maya atma bhuaya cha kalpate. When a person abandons all fruitive activities and fully surrenders himself to me, he becomes a recipient of special prem. And this is a result of my merciful treatment towards him. I release him from old age and grant him enters into my eternal pastimes where he serves me eternally. Marto jada tapto samasto kor nivedito atma. Wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death. Those who are extreme fortune, and they will give up their body, mind, space unto my lotus feet. Okay. So he says, Marto jada takta samasta karma nivedito atma. They will give up all the fruitive activities of karma. And karma tag. Karma ke phal tag. So marto takta samasta karma nivedito atma. Be chikirsito mein. Then I also treatment his heart. Okay? That means when you completely surrender to Krishna, then Krishna will help you. Okay? So for this regard, be chikirsito me. Krishna is saying in this verse, I will purify his heart. Just to surrender to me. तदा अमृत तो प्रतिपद्यमानो मैं अमृत तो कल्पते boy. I release him from the old age and grant him entrance in my eternal pastimes. Krishna says, Dadami buddhi yogam tam jeno mang upajanti te. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also says, Dadami buddhi yogam. I will give buddhi yoga to him. And it is great or nice what is called Buddhi Yoga, and inspired in his heart how to enter in my Suddha Bhakti. And so, having explained the Sambandha Tattva, the Jiva's relationship with Bhagavan, then Avidya Tattva, the process to attain the supreme goal, then Prayojan Tattva, the supreme goal of highest destination. So Krishna told Uddhava, when Krishna about to departure from this material world. And that time Krishna told some instruction to Uddhava. How an ordinary sadhak develop his bhajan and sadhana and attain his highest destination. So in the Marto Jada Takta Samasta Karma Nivedito Atma. Nivedito Atma, this is how to offer his soul to the feet of Krishna. Or when he offers his body, mind, speech, then his body is called Sachidananda. Tadamrita Pratipaddamano Maya Amritat Bhutayo Bhuaya Chokalpate. So in this way, he will serve to me. Because who will serve to Krishna? When his body will become Sachidananda. Because you, in your material senses, material body, you cannot serve to Krishna. Jara man buddhi devte dara bhagavat seva nahi. But when your tendency will come to serve to Krishna, then Krishna's Yogmaya, then your body will become Chinmaya. This is the process. Because without Chinmaya Sarir, transcendent body, you cannot serve to Krishna. This is the process. Here he is saying, either how our body, this material body, will transfer in Chinmaya. This is not possible. Because these bodies were made by the 5 elements. And these 5 elements also material. Material things will not transfer in transcendent. Just actually the Tadatma Bhav will come. Tadatma Bhav means oneness with the potency of Krishna. That time Tadatma Bhav will come. Give an example, if you take one iron stick and put in the fire, then after a couple of minutes, then you can see the iron stick completely red color. And that time red iron stick in put anywhere, it will be burned. In the same way, when sadhak tendency will come serve to Krishna, then Krishna will be Yogmaya, then his body will become transcendent. So for the clear, Tada Amrityata Pratipaddamano Mayam Atma Bhaya Chokalpate. Sevanam, Hisikesa Sevanam is called. Sarvabadhi Vinirmuktam Tatparitana Nirmalam Hisikeno Hisikesa Sevanam Bhaktira Uchate. And this is the definition of bhakti. Sarvabadhi Vinirmuktam, one who completely free from all kinds of his designation and completely surrendered to the Spirit of Krishna. And his heart will neat and clean that. Sarvabadhi Tatparitana Hisikeno Hisikesa Sevanam Bhaktira Uchate. Then he will serve his limitless body to Krishna which is called Hishikesh. Hishikesh means with the supreme controller of the limbs, senses and limbs of the body. Okay. So in the same way, one who completely surrendered to Krishna, then Krishna's Yogmaya, his body will become transcendental birth, not transcendental because body. This is the thing. सर्व कर्म त्यागिया मोरे आत्मनिवेदिया जय करे अमार सेवन अमृत तत्व धर्म पाइया लीला मध्य प्रवेशिया आमास करे रमन. When Bhaktivinoda Thakur quoted this verse, Sarva karma tyagiya, giving up all the fruits of your karma. Atma nivedya, and completely offer your heart to the feet of Krishna. And in this way, one who serves to me, and that is called Amrita Dharma Paya, Lila Madhya Pravesya, when his body will become transcendental, with his transcendental body, then we enter Krishna's sweet pastimes. So saying this way, Amrita Dharma Paya, Lila Madhya Pravesya, Atma Saha Karina Ravan. This is the process. So that means in this verse explain this as Samandha, Abhidya and Prayojan Tattva.
Which book?
Marto Jada Tattva in this verse explain actually Samandha, Abhidya and Prayojan Tattva. So with the association of pure devotees or lords, the bhakta, and then slowly his bhav will manifest in his heart. And so sadhu sangha, nam sankirtan. But sadhu sangha should be sadhu sangha with sadhu sangha, association with sadhu should be like-minded sadhu. Without like-minded sadhu, their bhav will not manifest. Sajatya asa snigdho satovari. Srimad Bhagavata nama rasa. Same mood in it. And if that person is not same mood, if you associate with him, the prema will not manifest in your heart. One person is Vaishtarja mood. If you associate Vaishtarja, opulence mood, and you have what mood? Madhurya mood. That means those who are devotees of conjugal mood and associate with Vaishtarja mood devotees, then his bhakti will not manifest in that. This is the process. Good Premanandi Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Sri Ram. Tomorrow we'll discuss more. It's now 9 o'clock. समझ में आया कुछ नहीं? कहाँ तो गया बताओ? इतना तो आ गया शरणागति. शरणागति समझते भी नहीं? शरण. How many limbs of शरणागति? 6. सरंग शरणागति रही बेजार तहार न प्रार्थने शरण. One who has शरणागति, surrender, and if he prays to Lord Spirit of Krishna, then Krishna will listen his prayer. Or if you not surrender to Krishna, then Krishna will not listen your prayers. This Saranagati is going from Shraddha, in the beginning of the Shraddha, there is Saranagati. Or this Saranagati is going in where? Radhika Saranagati in Mahabhava. Unflinching, loving, loving trust. Good Iman. Okay, take prasadam. How many minutes spoke? 40 minutes?
40 minutes.
Okay, that's enough. Guru Premanand. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.